New at 4 in today's Community Focus. If you've gotten a text recently claiming to be from the Rhode Island Division of Taxation, it's a scam. So joining us live now to talk about this latest scheme and how to avoid becoming a victim is Neena Savage with the Tax Division at the Rhode Island Department of Revenue. Neena, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
So walk me through some of these examples that you guys are seeing of these text scams targeting Rhode Islanders.
Thank you. One of the reasons I'm here is recently we've gotten phone calls from taxpayers who have been impacted by these texts wherein people are asking for their financial information and sometimes with a link to a website that is not our website. So we want the public to know the Division of Taxation will never text you, and the fact that Rhode Islanders are falling for some of these text scams is concerning. So please, to your viewers, never ever give up your financial information, your checking account information, or any other information to anyone who's texting you. And even further, the Division of Taxation will never contact you via text. We will snail mail you or we will email you, but first please reach out to us first if you get one of these texts.
Gotcha. And you said that Rhode Islanders unfortunately have fallen victim to some of these scams, and they're just claiming, you know, they have a refund, they need to click a link. Is that what these messages are saying?
Well, the criminals are becoming ever more sophisticated. There's a lot of public information about you on the web, and they can create these texts that will tell you that, you know, you have a refund that is pending and is held up. And your tax profile looks like this, you have this many kids and you live here and you work here. All of that information is readily available, so they're very sophisticated in luring taxpayers in and convincing them that there's a business need to get this data. But in this world, with the sophisticated means and methods, it's never give up your financial information. It's the most precious information that you have, and you should protect it at all times.
And you mentioned, I want to reemphasize again, that the Division of Taxation will never text you about any of those things.
Absolutely. These texts are scams, and you should tell at least 10 people that you know that you should never give up your financial information to anything via text. The criminals are becoming ever more sophisticated.
And I feel like I've gotten quite a few text message scams or calls. Is this something you guys are seeing more frequently recently?
Absolutely. It's a national trend. There are at least 12 other states that are seeing this. We've put up a web page. You should get a taxpayer portal account. You should verify that the URL on the emails that you're receiving is actually a valid email. When they spoofed our website, our email is www.tax.ri.gov. What these spoofers did is they created a website that looked like ours, but the end is .us. So look carefully at your URLs, contact us, and never give up your financial data.
All right, a lot of important information and tips. Neena Savage with the Rhode Island Division of Taxation, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.